Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, we are going to discuss about the scanner which we have created yesterday. About after 3 days, there is a down in the market, and the fourth day there is a bullish candle which forms with the open low. Was a great place to buy the stock at very lowest level after a consecutive down. That was we discussed on previous video, and it was giving you such a good result on back test. And this was not a non-repaint because we are taking the closed price. That is what one day ago, like we are taking the price of closing day. That was giving you such a wonderful the buying opportunity. And someone was asking you to take a selling opportunity on that. So the reverse for the same scanner will be the selling opportunity. I'll make you the new scanner on the next video about the reversal of the three consecutive bullish, and we are expecting there is a down, and that will even work better if you are going to check the reversal in a highest level, because the correction would be very fast compared to the bullish market. So that logic we can use on that. And this video we are going to discuss about how to add the hammer candle which forms on the day. Last video we are discussing about that was making a open low at the lowest level. As the comment I have read from my subscriber who commented about because this one is idea is given for the some idea, but we have created the scanner that was working good, and he was asking about creating um, the hammer candle after 3-4 days down would be the best opportunity to make money. And it may not be a huge one, it may not be we may not get many stocks. So this is what the conditions where we are finding out for the trade that was working good. And let me try it out in this video how the shooting star, sorry, hammer candle which forms at the bottom after consecutive 3 days down, will it work or not. So the comment which is we got it from that guy, so he was asking but he couldn't have better if there was a bullish hammer, so we can try trade next for intraday purpose. This is for intraday purpose. Yes, exactly. IEX which forms yesterday like that, the same IEX I have also tracking that. After 3-4 consecutive down days, it forms a hammer candle. There is an opportunity at 155.30. Now it is trading 155.85. So somewhere around 50 paisa, it is moving towards our direction. What we are expecting, that was is going on, right? So same like that, this pattern we are going to find out using the charting scanner. If you are going to create the hammer candle at the bottom, so after 4 consecutive down day, we are finding out hammer at the bottom. We'll uh, we'll check it out how it is working, what was the result, and we are going to do it. So how to create the scan? This is the scan we already created. So only this line we are going to ignore, and we are going to add the scanner which is uh, hammer, right? We have to create a hammer candle alone. So let me go for hammer. We have to check the wick is bigger than the higher wick. The lower wick should be bigger. The body of the candle is very small, and the higher wick will be comparatively very small than this. That kind of thing we are going to create here. So that are main idea, to create a hammer candle after 3 consecutive down day. These are the 3 downs, and we are going to create a hammer candle. So we have to compare the calculation. So I use the bracket value. Yes. So we are going to create first of all we will convert the open price must be open minus low, sorry, open minus low. We are calculating the open price, and the low price must be greater than equal to, again, the bracket value. We are going to open the bracket value, and again we are going to do the bracket. Why? Because of we are going to compare with the numbers. Close minus open. Close minus that I've already created. If you want to create the scanner like this, you can follow this video and you can create from your end. And I'm going to multiply it by number 3.5. Why am I using this 3.5? Because the lower week must be greater 3.5 times higher than the higher week, right? So that must be close minus open. It must be a greater than 3.5 times. The same condition we are going to use again to filter out another one. So maybe copy this line. So here high minus close, the highest price and the close price. The high minus close is must be less than equal to, maybe good, and here close minus open multiplied by 1 times. This will find out perfect hammer candle. So then open equal to the close is, yeah, everything is right. If you find out a scanner, yes. So here this two lines for a hammer candle which forms at such a way, the hammer, where you can find out this one is one finding out the IEX yesterday. Let's say after 3-4 consecutive down, there is a hammer candle which we are focusing for a buying opportunity. That is a hammer which present at the lowest level would be the best opportunity to take a trade at reversal. That is what the main conditions or main key we are using. There is a down and hammer. So it is happening today. It is a positional, not for an intraday, but you can use for intraday if you are getting entry, and if it is getting a target in the same day, you can exit out from the trade. And we are expecting there is a movement in the particular stock. So that is why we are doing it. So after 3-4 consecutive down, we find out that stock. Let's say, and we have a very small number of stocks, maybe good for investment, not to finding out 100-200 stocks in a day. Only 1 or 2 stocks may be good, and Mindtree on the date of what was the date? 27/5. Let's say Mindtree 27/5, where it is? Yes, 27/5. So 3 consecutive down. So 1, 2, 3 consecutive down. Another indication there is a hanging man, her doji from there, but we find the candle hammer which is after 3 days down, and this is what the entry point, but it unfortunately not given you entry because next day it started with a gap up and it moves big from somewhere 2,880 and 3,160 it moved. So but doesn't give you opportunity, it doesn't give the opportunity to trade. It will check it out what are the previous stock. On 26th we get a Tata Communication. Tata Communication on 26th. Yes, it was in a perfect trade. After 3 consecutive down, there is a bullish hammer. Once it is broken, then hammer. Now it is moving towards 2 days consecutive up. Okay, that was working good. And what about other stocks? Here, IOC, Indian Oil Corporation. The date where it is forms 28/4. Oh, so 28/4 April. Maybe this. After 3 days down, there is a hammer. But if the hammer bottom should be the least low, means it would work better than previous trade, so that you can focus it out. But that was the conditions where we are finding out the stock which forms such a kind of way. If you check the IEX, the low of the hammer candle, the low of the hammer candle would be the least low. So there is a more possibility of reversal from this point. But some stocks we seen recently and it was a middle, that IOC, let's say IOC, it was on a top. So I'm not going to, the previous rally was big and it was forming at the highest level, maybe not good for buy, and also we have a previous bottom. So if the hammer candle bottom is the lowest level, means there is a big chances to reversal. So as your request, I have created the scanner and I'm going to save you the scan, but I can save us List reversal after 3 days down with hammer. So the same name you can search it for in the scanner, it will be finding out. So this is what the scanner. I hope you got it. You understand what it is going on, and I hope this video may be useful. Another useful video to you all. Those who are doing a trade with the candlesticks pattern, that was working good for me, and you can follow the scanners. And thank you for giving your time here to watch this video. And thank you so much. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly make the subscribe the channel to get update. Thank you so much.